Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're transforming this wagon from this into this. Alright, in order to accomplish that we're going to be using these like little axles that I salvaged from a lawnmower. Take the wheels off of this. Alright, let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to need to remove the wheels here, and we'll start stripping out all the rest of the, I guess, the suspension stuff, whatever. Alright, so we're going to get into that. Alright, so we have the wagon broken down. We broke down the edger. We're going to dig into this Briggs and Spratton in another video pretty soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get this thing started. Alright, so the lawnmower hardware that I wanted to use for the axles for these was actually too big and I don't feel like turning it down, so we're just going to probably use the original edger hardware. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this gunk out of the wagon. Alright, now that I've kind of put it back together, I can figure out how far I need to cut into my shaft so that I can weld it to the bracket here, and then we'll cut the bracket and then get it welded to the wagon. So I got my little axle shafts kind of mocked up and I just gotta get it stitched together. Alright, so I have my axle shafts done. I've mocked up the rear wheels. I really like the way it's coming out so far. Now I just need to figure out the front, figure out what I'm going to do about mounting that. I got to modify the steering, maybe build my own, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to get this stitched together and then take the wheels off and start building the front end. Alright, so I welded on the rear wheels, got the brackets in. Now it's time to finish up the steering from the front. So originally I had intended to use the same wheels all around, but once I got the front end done, I would have had to either cut the body or set the front wheels up way ahead of the deck because it's so low. So what I did was I just used a small little caster that you can see here. Ready to go. There were a lot of different wagons to see at Pomona Swapmeet that morning, and I ended up talking to this guy about his wagon for a little while. He called it his rat rod wagon. Yeah, the Heim joint stuff.
Yeah, those are females.
That's so cool, man.
Those are called Helms joints. Those are the females. The female is...
Okay. Yeah. But you trade for these two? For that one?
Yeah. This one. This one.
Let's do it. Alright, so it was a little unexpected, but the wagon is now in someone else's possession. So we ended up making a trade, these two wagons for that wagon. I think it was a really good trade. It went to a really cool guy, and the swap meet was a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more wagon builds. See ya. Bye.